if you run into this problem. The seed capsule, it kind of clings on there, and there's like a I can't remember the word for it. If it's a little bit too dry, capsule can stick to the leaves. It might actually kill it. Happened to me a few times during the years, and the best thing you can do if you want to help it to survive is that you pour a little bit of water on and wait maybe half an hour, let it soak. Make sure it's soaking, and it's gonna become a little bit loose. So I'm gonna do that right now. Just pour some water on it and make sure it gets soaked. There we go. And we have a second one here. And gosh, there we go. Up these ones, and they were pretty loose. Didn't have to water them. I have my small little greenhouse hack here. I know it looks primitive, but primitive, old school. That's how I do it. Don't need all that fancy stuff. They need like a 90% humidity. So I'm gonna put this over again so they don't dry up. I'm gonna put it inside, make sure it has a lot of humidity, and then I'm gonna use my tweezers and I'm gonna pick off that capsule. So my audio disappeared when I recorded this video, but it's been about 30 minutes and the membrane capsule is ready to come off. And it's pretty hard. You can see operating the tweezers with one hand, but it's loose. Just need to wiggle it a little bit. And that is what we call success. You can see the membrane and the capsule still holding on together next to the other one. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.